The Oppo Find X8 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most innovative flagship smartphones of 2025, offering cutting-edge features and a sleek design. Unlike many high-end devices that prioritize curved displays, the Find X8 Ultra is rumored to feature a flat AMOLED screen with extremely thin bezels, providing an immersive and modern aesthetic while catering to users who prefer flat displays for usability. Its camera system is expected to set a new benchmark in smartphone photography, with a 50MP main camera powered by the 1-inch Sony Lisha LYT-900 sensor for exceptional low-light performance and optical image stabilization (OIS) for steady shots. Complementing the primary lens are a 50MP telephoto macro camera using the Sony Lisha LYT-701 sensor, which offers 3x optical zoom and OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens for 6x optical zoom and superior long-range photography, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera for capturing expansive scenes with minimal distortion. The device is rumored to include advanced features like an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking and satellite communication support, positioning it as a tech-forward option for professionals and adventurers. Powering the phone will be a robust 6,000 mAh battery that supports 80W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting performance and quick power replenishment. However, there is speculation that the Oppo Find X8 Ultra may not receive a global release, potentially limiting its availability to specific markets. If these rumors hold true, the Find X8 Ultra will not only challenge competitors like Samsung and Apple, but also redefine expectations in the premium smartphone segment with its blend of cutting-edge technology and functional design.